Hey guys, check out my Jeep TJ, guys. Just an update on the Jeep TJ project, guys. So as you can see, the Jeep is 100% done. So let me fill you in really quick. I have tons and tons of videos on everything that I did to it to make it look like this. The only thing is I haven't finished editing them yet. I've been very busy. So this is a little sneak peek of what's to come, guys. I'm gonna have videos on everything here, guys. They're all gonna be coming out very shortly. Complete paint job, start to finish, guys. I'm gonna have videos on the wheels and tires, guys. I'm gonna have videos on the rear round light conversion. How cool is that? I'm sure you guys have seen the frame restoration video. Look how incredible this thing looks underneath and everything. And all in here, look how awesome it looks. It looks like a brand new Jeep, guys. The interior is spotless. Check it out. I even painted the floor. Look how nice all that looks. All the interior is so nice. Everything's nice and clean. So I got some videos on that. Looks great. I'm still gonna be repainting the steering wheel. See it? I'm gonna make the steering wheel look brand new. I will have a video coming on that, guys. I got a video on these things. These are great. Prevents my kids from scratching the Jeep up when they're going in and out. I got videos on these awesome stickers. I believe that will be in the paint job video. The paint job is immaculate, like $10,000 army paint job. So I'm gonna have an extremely detailed video on that if you guys are interested in that. Let me turn on these awesome headlights. I will have videos on those. Here they are on. These lights are absolutely amazing. The halos are so bright. They're not like the cheap eBay lights. These are top notch. And the beam pattern on these is absolutely perfect. You can see everything at nighttime, but you're not blinding anybody. It's like a perfect straight line. It is amazing. So I do have videos on these lights coming. Also, guys, notice how my fenders look like an old Willys Jeep. Well, these are actual Jeep fenders, and I cut them and rolled them, and I heated up this and rolled it. I do have detailed videos on how to do that. Look how awesome that looks. So I think you guys really should subscribe to this channel to see the whole build. Oh yeah, check out these mirrors. Look how nice these look. And they're door off mirrors, but I put them on in a way so they work. These are the nicest mirrors for the Jeep TJ as far as looks go. It looks so good. Look at this thing, guys. So anyways, lots of videos coming, guys. Click on the playlist up here. Thanks for your time, guys. Till next time.